Hi everyone again, I'm Tony from SUAS.com. So this is the RTK system again. That is the base station. You need to keep it fixed somewhere with the best view of the sky. And this will be on a drone. I have here an Inspire 1. You can use an Inspire 2 as well. The previous video I showed how precise the RTK was, like down to 2-3 centimeters. That's the error, typical error. While the regular GPS, you have 2 to 3 meters in error. So that's about, you would say, 100 times better than regular GPS. Anywhere from 50 to 100 times better than the regular GPS. So today, for us to show how precise that is in a more intuitive way, we have this here system. You can come here, Eric. You can come closer. So we have here our logo printed out on paper. You can see the centimeter scale right here. The rulers, perpendicular to each other. You can see the real scale here, centimeters. And this on the map shows 5 centimeter scale like this. So this variation is about 2 or 3 centimeters, maybe 1 centimeter at most. So what we're going to do, demonstrate here, is move the pen along our logo here, and you can see it moves on the screen as well with the same scale. So that is the intuitive way to show how precise the RTK signal is. Right, so let me move the tip of the pen. The tip of the pen is right below the antenna here. So I'm going to move that. You can see it on the screen. It moves as well. So the logo is here. Do you see that in the camera, Eric? Mm-hmm. Nice. So that's the logo right there. Okay. Now the letters. So we have S. S, right? And then U. U. All right. And now A. Okay, you can see that. Now letter S, the letter final S. Alright, so now we got it. See? So you can see that S, U, and A, and S down to the exact centimeter scale. So that's how precise the RTK is. So thank you for watching our channel, and if you do like the idea in general, please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel. Hit that bell button. So next time we have a video, you will be notified, either informational or just new products or instruction, etc., etc. So do you like it? You think?
Yeah, I like it. I like it how when you definitely went, like you could totally when you was going around a circle, that was good. But
Yeah.
definitely when you went across, you could tell the RTK system definitely was following you towards that end.
Yes.
Wherever this pin goes,
Yeah.
that goes. So you could tell.
Yeah.
And when you was doing like that, then you could tell how accurate it was going with the letters and everything.